Patriot trailers. So does it come with all this stuff in it, or is this all of the stuff that you kind of added to it?
So I bought this from a guy who bought it from Patriot. It was their SEMA trailer. So
okay.
This is the X2. I was telling you about these.
Oh yes, I remember.
They're solar. You just you don't even really blow them up. You just.
You see this?
Uh-huh.
They're so cool.
They're just a little. Usually snap, but just a little.
It's a lantern.
Yeah, basically inflatable,
Yeah.
and so that's so awesome.
And then when you leave, you just set it out in the sun, like during
yeah.
the day, and they charge in no time.
Yeah, it reflects off the plastic and gives you the extra. That's awesome.
And they store real small.
Yeah, I was showing him the Goal Zero lanterns that we have inside, and he was like, "We have these inflatable ones," and I was like, "Next time we're here, if you got them, let me see."
The same brand. They're like Christmas lights.
Oh, that's the ones that you showed me that
Yeah.
were hanging. Okay,
They're
in
like,
that picture. That is so cool.
they're like 30 feet long. They're great. They give off so much light.
That is very
Yeah, so
cool.
I got little stuff, and then I found some of these little, like, when I was in Washington, I needed lights because I just had my Outback and an awning and the tent and the Yakima, and these had a magnet on the side of them, so I could just stick them to they're just like a strip light.
Oh,
These
nice.
little magnets, you could stick them to like the side of
sides.
your car, and they just plug a little USB battery thing.
This is awesome, man. You're finding.
Yeah, the water spigot is on the other. There's water there. The bridge slide, and so you've got like the pantry here. There's a sink. This is the utensil drawer.
That is
My
very
daughter just
cool.
got this. This is fun.
Oh yeah, for the marshmallows or hot dogs or.
My brother-in-law gave that to her.
Nice.
That was his trailer. And then
So his daughter is in the Cub Scouts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
and this is came with a Primus stove, so this is a pretty nice little stove.
That is very
It's got
cool.
lights all the way around, a radio. It's got lights in all the compartments. This is the little coffee stove. It's like a little pantry drawer.
That is super awesome.
And then this will pop up and can go out. So it's got little legs that come down to support it. And so now you can see, like, when that tent opens, the bit that holds that out runs into on that side and this side. And so I have to I kind of bent the spring steel, but I'm wondering if there's if I can get like a rod that I can put it and pull it out somehow.
I bet we could do that for you if you wanted.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
So when you're using the sink here, you can
just pull the hose over, fill it, and then it just drains, right? Oh, so cool.
It's not as elegant as some of the other ones, but flat pack
Yeah, we got one of those in there on display.
for for clothes.
Yeah.
This is the bathroom one. Got little little towels, and then
Very cool.
we got the toilet here, bags here, trash bags.
Man, I love this thing.
These are Walmart. They look cool. You can put down inside of a tent, wear on the floor.
That is so cool.
Swings out. Oh, you want a grill? Cool.
Nice.
Maybe grill.